Have you ever wondered how supercars came into existence? It's a fascinating story that dates back to the early 20th century. Back then, the world was a different place. The horse was the primary means of transportation, and the automobile was still a novelty. But all that changed with the advent of high-performance vehicles. The very concept of supercars can be traced back to the dawn of the 20th century, when the quest for speed and power became a driving force in the automotive industry. While the term supercar wouldn't be coined until much later, the first seeds were sown with the creation of high-performance vehicles. One of the earliest examples was the Mercedes 35 GP, produced in 1901. This vehicle was revolutionary. Designed by Wilhelm Maybach for Daimler Motor and Gesellschaft, the Mercedes 35 GP is often hailed as the first modern automobile. It featured a low center of gravity, a lightweight yet powerful engine, and a groundbreaking design that placed the engine at the front of the vehicle. This was a departure from the traditional horseless carriage design and set the stage for future automotive innovation. The introduction of the Mercedes 35 GP marked a pivotal moment in the history of automobiles. It sparked a race for speed and performance that would eventually lead to the birth of supercars. The need for speed, combined with a growing passion for innovation, led to the creation of vehicles that were faster, more powerful, and more technologically advanced than anything the world had seen before. As the 20th century progressed, the automotive industry continued to evolve and supercars became more and more sophisticated. They transformed from mere high-performance vehicles to symbols of status and luxury, embodying the pinnacle of automotive technology and design. So the journey of supercars started with a need for speed and a passion for innovation. It's a story that continues to unfold as supercars continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of automotive technology. Fast forward to the 1960s and 70s, the golden age of supercars, when high-performance vehicles became symbols of status and power. In this era, the world was introduced to some of the most iconic supercars, vehicles that would forever change the automobile landscape. One such car was the Lamborghini Miura, a car that was as much a work of art as it was a mechanical marvel. Unveiled in the 60s, the Miura was a game-changer, boasting a mid-engine layout that was virtually unheard of at the time. This design feature, combined with a sleek and aerodynamic body, elevated the Miura from a mere car to a symbol of speed and beauty. It wasn't just a car, it was an experience, a statement, a dream. But the Miura wasn't alone in shaping the golden age of supercars. Enter the Ferrari 365 GTB4, more commonly known as the Daytona. Introduced in the late 60s, the Daytona represented a bold departure from the norm. It was a front-engine car in a time when mid-engine designs were becoming the standard for supercars. Yet it stood its ground, boasting a top speed that could rival any of its mid-engine competitors. The Daytona proved that innovation could come in many forms, and that sticking to traditional designs could yield extraordinary results. Both the Miura and the Daytona had a profound impact on the automobile industry and culture at large. They pushed the boundaries of what was possible, redefining speed, design, and performance. They were more than just modes of transportation, they were symbols of status and power, coveted by the elite and admired by the masses. The influence of these iconic supercars can still be seen today in the design and performance of modern high-performance vehicles. They set a high bar, one that continues to inspire and challenge automakers around the world. These classic supercars not only defined an era but also laid the foundation for future high-performance vehicles. As we move into the 21st century, supercars have evolved to become more than just high-speed machines. The dawn of the new millennium has seen supercars embrace a new identity. They are no longer solely about speed and performance. They are now the embodiment of cutting-edge technology, luxury, and a nod towards sustainability. In the pursuit of speed and power, manufacturers began to experiment with hybrid technology. This was a game-changer. The combination of high-performance gasoline engines and electric motors gave birth to a new breed of supercars. They were not only faster, but also more efficient. Take for example the Bugatti Veyron. Launched in 2005, it was a marvel of engineering. It boasted a quad-turbocharged 16-cylinder engine that produced over 1,000 horsepower. This allowed it to achieve a top speed of over 250 miles per hour. At the time, it was the fastest production car in the world. But the Veyron was not just about speed. It was a showcase of the latest technology, with features like an adaptive rear spoiler and a sophisticated all-wheel drive system. It was the epitome of a modern supercar. On the other end of the spectrum we have the Tesla Roadster. It may not have a roaring V12 engine under its hood, but it's every bit a supercar. It's all electric, producing zero emissions, yet it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds. That's faster than most gasoline-powered supercars. The Roadster is a testament to how far electric technology has come. It proves that supercars can be both fast and environmentally friendly. It's paving the way for a new generation of electric supercars. The modern era has seen supercars evolve from purely performance-driven machines to technological showcases. They are no longer just about going fast. They are about how fast you can go while being efficient, luxurious, and sustainable. In the modern era, supercars stand at the intersection of speed, luxury, and sustainability. Now that we've traveled through the history of supercars, let's explore what the future holds for these high-performance vehicles. As we step into the future, the supercar industry is expected to continue its relentless pursuit of speed, luxury, and innovation. Yet the focus is shifting. The roar of engines may give way to the hum of electric motors as brands like Rimac and Koenigsegg are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with electric power. Imagine a world where your supercar doesn't guzzle up gas but runs on electricity, a sustainable and renewable energy source. The Rimac Nevera, an all-electric hypercar, has already shown us a glimpse of this future. With a top speed of around 258 miles per hour and the ability to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.85 seconds, it's a testament to the potential of electric power. But the future of supercars isn't just about electric power, it's about intelligent machines. Autonomous technologies are developing at a rapid pace. Supercars of the future may not just be about raw power and speed, but also about advanced driver assist systems that can take over the controls when needed, providing a safer and more comfortable ride. Even as we marvel at the advancements in electric and autonomous technologies, we must remember that the essence of supercars lies in their ability to push boundaries. Whether it's Koenigsegg's pursuit of the elusive 300 miles per hour mark, or Rimac's endeavor to perfect the electric powertrain, supercars will continue to redefine what's possible on 4 wheels. While the journey ahead is filled with exciting possibilities, it also comes with its fair share of challenges. From overcoming technical hurdles to addressing environmental concerns, the supercar industry will need to navigate a complex landscape to shape its future. While we can't predict the future with certainty, one thing is clear: the supercar journey is far from over. The pursuit of perfection, the quest for speed, and the drive for innovation will continue to fuel the evolution of supercars, driving us into an exhilarating future. From the birth of the first modern automobile to the rise of electric supercars, we've covered a lot of ground today. Let's take a moment to put it in the rearview mirror and reflect on the journey we've taken. We started off with the birth of supercars, a time when innovators and engineers pushed the boundaries of what was possible. The first supercars emerged as stunning examples of technological prowess and design ingenuity, setting the stage for the evolution of high-performance vehicles. Then we shifted gears to the golden age of supercars, an era marked by fierce competition and groundbreaking developments. Supercar manufacturers began to focus on aerodynamics, power, and speed, leading to the creation of some of the most iconic and awe-inspiring vehicles the world has ever seen. We then fast-forwarded to the modern era of supercars, where advancements in technology and materials have led to the production of machines that not only blister the pavement but also offer luxury and comfort. This era has also seen the rise of hybrid and electric supercars, paving the way for a more sustainable future in high-performance motoring. And of course, we dared to look into the crystal ball and speculate on the future of supercars. With advancements in electric powertrains, autonomous driving technology, and lightweight materials, the supercars of the future promise to be faster, cleaner, and more intelligent than ever before. Throughout this journey, one thing remains clear: the spirit of innovation and the pursuit of excellence that marked the birth of the first supercars is still very much alive today. It continues to drive manufacturers to push the boundaries of performance, design, and technology, ensuring that the supercars of tomorrow will continue to captivate and inspire us, just as their ancestors did. So next time you see a supercar zoom past, remember the rich history and innovation that brought it to life. Until our next ride, stay curious and keep exploring.